Today we're making some delicious carrot cake muffins. I don't know about you, but I really love these, and they're also friendly to your wallet. And if you have any suggestions for different recipes, please leave them in the comments. We need the flour in a bowl where we're gonna add baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, a little more cinnamon, and some nutmeg. Be careful with the nutmeg because it has a really strong taste. Oh, and some salt of course, and you could also leave a like and subscribe. I'm getting my tiny whisk for a little action, and let's move on. We're gonna need some carrots of course, use the small holes of a grater, don't use the bigger ones, it will make the carrot to be way too big for the consistency that we need. Anyway, grate your carrots, and here's your carrot cake. See ya next time. No, I'm joking, wait. In another bowl we're gonna need to furiously beat 2 eggs. I mean, you can do it calm, but where's the fun in that? For this recipe I'm using light brown sugar. You can use normal sugar, but if you do, you should use less. I really suggest getting light brown sugar because you get a better taste in the end. Add some vanilla extract and oil. We're not gonna use butter for this. Give it a good mix. I think you can use a hand mixer, but I didn't want to wash it after, so I just used a whisk. We're gonna add the carrots in our egg mixture and mix it again. Now you can't really use a hand mixer, so yeah, use a whisk for everything. I like to have some walnuts in there, and I want them in different sizes, but not fine powder. So use a knife to crush them or buy them already crushed. On top of the dry ingredients, we're gonna add our egg mixture with the carrots, and don't forget about your walnuts. Use a spatula to mix around until you get a moist composition where you can't see the white from the flour anymore. It should take you like 1-2 minutes of slow mixing. Now I really hope you have a muffin baking pan or at least some cupcake forms. Use some butter to spread around your forms, this will really help in the end to unstuck them, and also gonna make them a little more crisp on the sides. Or use a non-stick spray if you don't want the butter, but use the butter. If you're here and watch this channel, you should know that we use butter here. Fill the muffins form completely, and you should use 2 spoons to help yourself doing this. This recipe will give you like 12 muffins. Cook them at 175 degrees Celsius, fan off, for 30-35 minutes. Now look how great these are. Gonna take some picture for the thumbnail now, and then I'll break one for you. This has an amazing crumbling texture, and I think the walnuts really complete this recipe. You could use some almonds or pecan nuts. Anyway, this is my recipe for carrot cake muffins. I would appreciate if you'd leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more as I post every week, or almost every week. See ya next time!